You're welcome in your maths, and I got a new problem. Today we are going to prove sine law, so let's go. So now let me draw a triangle, as this is a law for triangle. So this is a circle and this is a circumcenter and this is a circumradius. You can say it's a radius as well. Now let me name that triangle, that is ABC, and if this is angle A, then this is 2A, as I have proved this in my previous video. And if I draw a perpendicular on the chord, then it bisects the chord, and the both triangles are congruent, therefore the angles are divided equally. Now from here we can write sine of A is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which is, if this length is A, then this is A by 2 upon hypotenuse, which is radius. So this becomes sine of A is equals to A over 2R. Similarly, if I'll do it for angle B, then this is angle B, this is 90 degree. If this whole length is B, then this is B by 2, and we can write sine of B is equals to B over 2R. Similarly, sine of C is equal to C over 2R. And from here, if I write sine of A over A is equals to 1 over 2R. Similarly, sine of B over B is equals to 1 over 2R. And similarly, sine of C over C is equals to 1 over 2R as well. So all RHS are equal, so LHS also equal. So sine of A over A is equals to sine of B over B is equals to sine of C over C. This is sine law, which relates angle and its opposite side of a triangle. Hopefully you get it, so don't forget to like and subscribe.